Hi there, I'm Matt. I'm the drummer for Call of Sirens. We're an alt-rock band from Hampshire in the UK, female fronted with my singer Em, guitarist Andy and bassist Josh. I've been in the band nearly 18 months now, but I've been playing drums since I was 17. That's about 30 years. Yeah, I know, I don't look it. So I play Collision Drumsticks, size 2B. I've always played 2B sticks of varying kinds, but the Collision ones I found about 6 months or so ago, just really nice sticks. Great feel, nice durability, good strength, and really good balance as well. So coming up is our song Puppeteer, which is our latest single, as I speak to you now, released in November 2024. I do make a mistake on the video, see if you can spot it. But yeah, this is our new single. Check it out.
You leave me here tied to your puppet strings, hiding behind, scared to leave scared to leave the nightmare. Grown accustomed to all the shit that you do, just leads you into a cosmic doom. Battered and bruised, you left me lying here with a cripple